Jai Hind friends, my name is Abhinav Tiwari and today we are going to talk on the topic of Russia-Ukraine conflict. But first we have to understand the backstory of it. So in 1922, the Russian Revolution ended with the formation of USSR, which was Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. So after the Second World War, to counter the socialist and communist ideology and widespread of it, the United States of America, along with 11 other nations, founded the NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. What was the work of the North Atlantic Treaty Organization? It was a military alliance in which, if any country, if any outer country attacks the any one of the nation of the NATO, all nations of the NATO will combine fight with that one nation. This was the basic idea of the NATO. So at the end of the Cold War, during the Cold War, or we can say that at the end of the Cold War, USSR disintegrated into the 50 other nations, out of which the Russia was the biggest one, and Ukraine was also one of them. But the inclination of the Ukraine was on towards of the west, and Ukraine showed interest in joining the NATO. Well, there is nothing problem because as a sovereign state, Ukraine has full right to join any other organization of their own will. But there was one glitch in the NATO's agreement which came across Russia and Ukraine while joining the NATO. So there is a rule in the NATO agreement that any other NATO member can use the defense field of any other NATO member. So, for example, we can understand that if Ukraine joined the NATO organization, United States could use the Ukraine's land for use as their border, use as for their defense. So the question arises that will Putin allow the Ukraine to do so? Well, in fact, the Putin disagreed and Putin launched an invasion on the Ukraine. So there also one question arises that should India supports Russia or Ukraine? So there is no other question that because I have two reasons. First, Russia has always stood up in our bad times. So there is simple give and take formula that you help us and we will help you. So there is no chance to criticize Russia. Yes, our Prime Minister Modi has said that this is not era of war. But why India should not support Ukraine? So there is a simple reason. When in 1999 we conducted nuclear test, Ukraine was one of the members who went to the United Nations Security Council to tell them to ban on India. So they are one of them. So we should not we should forgive them, but we should never forget our enemies. Forgive your enemy, but never forget your enemy. So Ukraine should not join the NATO. Okay. So this was my first video. We are doing a 90 days probation period, and all 90 days I am going to make one video. So I hope you liked it. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.